This customer wants to put in another Tesla wall connector. He wants to put it here. We're gonna come from this panel down, run conduit, and then come up. Drilled my holes into the Tesla box, and then I marked my holes on the wall, put my anchors in, and now I'm gonna mount the unit. Bracket mounted. I sent the snake down, tied the wire. Now I'm gonna pull it up, put a junction box here, and then run EMT from the junction box to the wall unit. Sent the snake down, tie the wire, and pull it back. Wall connector wired, breaker on, cover on the box. Pipe was extremely difficult to run because the rock was uneven the whole way. And that's your finished Tesla wall connector.